Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup veg dumplings. First, we'll create a rich, savory broth and chill it until it forms a jelly, which is key for that burst of soup inside. Next, we'll prepare a vibrant vegetable filling, ensuring all ingredients are finely diced. Finally, I'll guide you through the art of folding, so each dumpling holds its precious liquid perfectly. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. The secret to soup dumplings is the gelatinized broth. Start by simmering 2 cups of vegetable broth with 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder until dissolved. Pour it into a shallow dish and chill for at least 2 hours until it sets firmly. For the filling, finely chop 1 cup of shiitake mushrooms, 1/2 cup of napa cabbage, and 1/4 cup of carrots. Sauté these with ginger, garlic, and soy sauce for a savory base. Once cooled, dice the broth jelly into small cubes and gently fold it into your vegetable mixture. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Now for the fun part, assembly. Take a round dumpling wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of your chilled filling, including the broth jelly cubes, right in the center. Dip your finger in a small bowl of water and moisten the entire edge of the wrapper. Carefully fold the wrapper in half to create a semicircle. Begin making small, even pleats along one edge, pressing them firmly against the other side. Continue until you reach the end. Then pinch the very top to seal it completely, ensuring no gaps remain. This technique traps all that delicious soup inside. To cook your beautiful soup dumplings, line a bamboo steamer with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Arrange the dumplings, leaving about 1 inch of space between each. Place the steamer over a pot of boiling water and steam for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are translucent and plump. Once cooked, serve your delicious soup dumplings immediately with a dipping sauce of soy sauce and rice vinegar. They are best enjoyed hot, allowing the flavorful broth to burst with every bite. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.